In the last 4 years, there have been more changes in college sports than probably the previous 40. About 12 years ago, the Pac-12 network started.
Hello, and thank you for joining us on a historic day for the Pac-12 Conference.
It was the most lucrative television deal in the history of college sports. But a couple summers ago, that just disintegrated at lightning speed.
A seismic shift in college sports.
Questions still remain about the fate of the Pac-12 and the remaining teams.
Washington State and Oregon State were the sole two members of the conference. So a bunch of us decided to shift this business to taking care of our Pac-12 schools, but as well, we're producing for outside clients with your help.
I give a lot of credit to Michael, getting the interest of folks like Indoor Football League and showing with Lumen's partnership, we're able to reach a lot of these neutral site venues that are outside of our campus reach. He designed this as a full 2110 core facility, and we wanted to go all IP based.
It was built with Remy in mind.
In 2014, we were the first to really develop a remote production model, and it quickly was adopted by many others.
The show is produced centrally. The cameras, the announcers, the audio equipment is out on site.
Pac-12 is going through a phase right now where they don't know what's around every corner. Lumen is able to be nimble and pivot with them and customize their network in a way that best suits them. Most recently, they have signed up for Network as a Service.
Our NAS solution allows us to build up and tear down connections when needed. Like right now, when we're doing productions between us and NBC Sports. Previously, we would work to provision dedicated circuits, which would take time and would be cost prohibitive. Network as a Service gives us that flexibility to provision high bandwidth circuits within minutes.
Meanwhile, we can do shows in the college space more efficiently, and we can create those shows at a better price point.
Crews just coming in. Once this switch establishes connection with San Ramon, they've got our audio. Within about 15-20 minutes, they'll have our cameras. That's it.
3, 2, 1, 3's up.
We're about ready for game 3 of this series, Washington State and Air Force today.
I've heard the horror stories. Literally, announcers on some college shows are seeing in their monitors something that the viewer's seen 2 seconds prior. So that's how bad latency works.
15th season.
From my standpoint, it feels really the same as almost any other show I've done on any network. Like I've got a truck sitting 50 yards away.
The time it takes from a signal to get from Pullman, Washington to our facility here in San Ramon is about 1/5 of a second.
Having the ability to produce our own content at the level we do, with the connectivity we do, that sets us way apart.
And with the new universities and member schools coming in next year, there's this future ahead now, and I think it's exciting.
The history and the brand of the Pac-12, I mean, that still resonates for certain, and a lot of us have really bounced back and just realized things are changing, and you got to be able to adapt. And I feel like with the resurrection of this conference, it's the place to be.